James, how have you been today? I hope you are doing good. Yes, I am doing good now. James, how about Uh, beautiful name of Jesus. Beautiful name of Jesus. You make it again. Tagalog version. Hillsong. Hillsong James. Beautiful name of Jesus. Can you do that? Again? Can you do that again? Tagalog version? James, beautiful name of Jesus. Ah, because beautiful name of Jesus, I like it very much also.